Industrial hemp is incredible. I really do see its potential to impact every part of the agricultural supply chain.
Hemp is fabulous because it's got so many applications. Well, Orbost has been one of the main drivers for hemp, over the last couple of years, and it's got great growing capability. It's got great resources and assets in the region that we could potentially utilise.
Hemp is potentially a future for our town, as we've lost the timber industry. We've got land, we've got old sawmill sites that can be converted, we've got labour, and we've got people that are used to working in outdoor type industries. One of the local farmers put in a crop last year, and it was to identify what the issues were with growing the crop here, because it's new to our district.
I had a 3 hectare area in, and it was a real learning experience, and there were quite a number of people from around the district came and looked at it, and they all expressed an interest in growing hemp.
The easiest part about the whole potential hemp industry is getting farmers to grow it, but you've then got to have somewhere to process it and somewhere to sell it, and decortication is the first stage in the process.
Decortication is a process that separates the fibres from within the plant.
If you look at a timber mill, a lot of the infrastructure in the process of milling timber is moving product very similar to hemp. So a lot of the basic machinery that is in a timber mill can be modified to process hemp. The other thing about Orbost is you've got the country, the land, that can grow the crop. And you've obviously got experienced farmers down here. You've got a seed facility down here, which is first class anywhere in the world.
We think that there's quite a few similarities with hemp and corn that we can bring to the table and help with the seed growing. The skill set we've got here, particularly on the seed cleaning machineries, there's not a lot of people that do that in Australia, a few. We actually send our staff to the US, to universities in Illinois for training.
Whether we're going to use it in construction materials, making pallets, into clothing in the future, we've got an untapped potential for the region.
You look at the housing market in Victoria alone, there's an opportunity for thousands of hectares of hemp to be grown, and that can be grown and processed here in Orbost.
We've got a bit of a section of hemp wall, so you'll get a little bit of charring. But it'd be very unusual that in a bushfire you would have this intense heat for this long. So we've had a blowtorch on the wall for 10 minutes straight, and so you take it away, there's no combustion. Some of the great benefits of a hemp wall is you're saving up to 80% on your energy costs, and with energy rising, hemp's going to have a great future. Also, as I've just shown, we've got the flame resistance. It's also termite resistant, mould resistant. And what actually adds to the mould, or part of the mould resistance, is hemp's a breathable product.
So Food and Fibre Gippsland's vision is to connect, innovate and grow the whole food and fibre sector across Gippsland. Our role is to be that connector for Orbost to the big picture, and what that value chain looks like. How do we make it come to fruition? We are hopefully going to be the connector of the ducks.
I'd like to think that at some time in the future we could get a processing works set up here.
Orbost is leading the way and showing the way, and it's a testament to the people of Orbost and the region.